Hi, it's Emily. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a packing vlog and whatever else fits into that description. Today we packed a whole bunch of boxes. If you don't know, we are moving and we'll get into more of that later, but we hired some people to come help us pack and we got a lot of stuff done. So I was just going to kind of like take you around the house. The house is a mess. It's horrible. This is like embarrassing. I mean, I guess that's what packing looks like because you start unpacking and packing things. So we've got all these boxes in here in the living room. So I decided when we moved I wanted to go ahead and redecorate out of the farmhouse style, just because like one, I'm kind of getting sick of the farmhouse, and two, like where I live, we live in the country and we have cows in our backyard, and so the farmhouse style really like went with the whole house here. But since we're moving, I'm going to redecorate, and so I took down all my wall decorations and I sold all of my farmhouse decor. Evan has been already going around and filling in all the walls, all the holes that we have in the walls. And look at the girls' room. We are pretty much done with the girls' room. We have just a little bit of stuff left to do. We got their closet mostly emptied. All the clothes are out, so we just gotta like put the lid on this toy box and pack it up. Evie, say hi. So we also got the kitchen completely packed up today. The entire kitchen is packed. All of our drawers and all of our cabinets are emptied. So we got the kitchen completely packed up. The girls' room is pretty much completely packed up, but we're doing pretty good. I feel pretty good that we're gonna be able to pack everything up in the next couple of days. So today is Monday when I'm recording this, but you won't see this till Friday. So we've got Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to finish packing everything up and clean the house and pack the U-Haul. So I have literally filmed this like 3 times because I literally don't know how to explain this. But there are some details concerning our move that I need to share with you. So a lot of you all know that we were planning on moving to Atlanta, Georgia. Some situations had come up here in Arkansas, and we got to the point where it was really needful and what was best for our family that we go ahead and move out of Arkansas and do so as quickly as possible. With that, we kind of made a hasty decision, since we had to make a decision to move to Atlanta because the market would be very good for my husband's business because he owns his own business, and there was also a really good church that we could go to, and it was a good place for us to raise our family. So we made a very good decision, but we made it very quickly. So the closer that we got to our move date, my husband was just feeling really anxious about just the decisions that we had made. Not that we made the wrong decisions, but the fact that we made them so quickly. So instead of moving to Atlanta right away, we already had a house, you all. We already put down our deposit, we signed papers, we were going to be moving into a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house, and it had this beautiful vaulted ceiling in the living room that was like white shiplap, plenty of open space, granite countertop, sunroom, nice fenced in yard with a garage, and in a very nice neighborhood. But we decided that we are going to wait 6 months to move to Atlanta. So what our goal is, we still plan on moving to Atlanta, but we're not going to do that just yet. We're going to take 6 months and we're gonna move to Louisville, Kentucky. Now that is where my parents live. So I'm literally gonna be living like 5 minutes away from my parents. And our goal for the next 6 months is to live cheap. We are going to move into a 2-bedroom apartment, just what we need. It's a very nice apartment. They're brand new, just built, so we'll be the first people living in our actual apartment unit. And since we will be in an apartment, our utilities will be lower, so we'll have a low rent, low utilities, and just live pretty cheap over the next 6 months, so that when we are ready to move, we are better off financially. We're gonna take the next 6 months to really just slow down. We need to make sure that we really heal spiritually, emotionally, mentally from everything that's happened this year. Not only do we need to heal, but during this time of transition, we need to make sure that we are spiritually mature enough and in tune with God to make a life-changing decision for our family. So this kind of threw me for a loop. I'm not gonna lie, my husband did shock me, but I really respect my husband for being mature enough and being man enough to say, hey, our family just needs to take some time. And I really feel like this was God leading him to just slow our family down and make sure that we're in the spot that we need to be. But like I said, I'm kind of excited because we are going to be living really close to my parents. For the last year, we have lived 9 hours apart. So we are just going to be burning it up. My parents are going to be soaking in the grandkids. We're going to have all kinds of fun. And Evan is going to let me redecorate our apartment. So I'm kind of excited to redecorate and do some new things and switch things up a little bit in the house and make it look nice. So that'll be fun as well. So all in all, I think everything's gonna work out in the end. Welcome to day 3 of me wearing a striped shirt because I packed all my clothes and this is all I have left. We have been just packing the last couple of days and we got a lot of stuff done, and tomorrow the U-Haul comes, so we are just like pretty much got everything done. We're gonna have to do a few things. I got all of the bathroom cabinets emptied out, boxes everywhere in the house, the laundry room emptied out. I've just got a few clothes that need to be washed before tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to take all these white dishes and pack these up, but I wanted to be like very careful when I did those because those were my grandma's. We got our closet done today. It is completely empty. It's kind of sad because I'm not gonna lie, I'm going to miss this closet. It's pretty awesome. I've just got some of the girls' clothes hang drying right now. And this is what we're dealing with today. This is why the house is a wreck. It is almost midnight here, so we're getting ready to go to bed so that we can just hit it hard in the morning. We get the U-Haul around like 8 or 9 in the morning, so we're getting ready to go to bed. I'm going to get a few hours of sleep. Good morning. So it is 9:30 and we're here picking up our U-Haul. I'm not sure which one's ours. I'm thinking maybe this one, but I actually think ours is bigger than this one. It is almost 6 o'clock and we just got completely finished with everything and we are getting ready to pull out. And we actually finished loading the U-Haul I think around 3 o'clock, but it's taken us this long to go through and like clean everything and load up our SUV with all the last minute things. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick empty house tour so you can see the house that we've been living in for the last year, a little over a year. Okay, so let's go to the front door. So when you walk in, this is our living room that we have. And it's open concept, so we have a bar. And this is the dining room area. And this door goes out to the back porch. And it's dark now, but I recorded earlier where you could see all the cows in the field back there. Zoom. Look at the babies. So cute. Then we have a kitchen. And in here is the laundry room. Yeah, pretty basic. And then if you go this way through the dining room, this is the master bedroom where me and Evan's room was. And through here is our master bath, shower, sink, and this had a big closet in the bathroom. And then here is our closet, which I loved this closet. It was a really great walk-in closet. So back this way, sorry. And then on the other end of the living room, we have just a hot water heater, our guest bathroom. This is where I did a lot of my hair tutorial videos, in this one. And we had this was our guest bedroom. I filmed a lot of videos sitting on this bed, and there's just a closet in here. And then the last room is where we had Everly and Rosie, and we had a crib on either side. And this is their closet, which worked out really good for me to put Everly here, Rosie here, and all their toys and stuff. So that's pretty much it. This is the house that we've been in for the past year here in Russellville, Arkansas. We are exhausted and so hungry, so we just got to a Mexican restaurant. We're gonna eat and get a hotel tonight.
Hey, bro, you don't need to take your swim. Look.
What is it?
It's a white bunny rabbit.
Lay down here. 2, 2, 3.
There.
Oh, wow. So we just got to our hotel room and we are super exhausted. We are going to get some rest. I'm going to try to edit this video and get it uploaded so it will be up tomorrow. And we are going to get up super early and hit the road and head to Kentucky with our U-Haul. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.